Alright everyone, welcome back everybody, girls and boys. So this is another unboxing video, and this is for the Tacoma. This is for the DIY build going off grid. So this is a UJ low or ULO or ULO. I don't know how to pronounce this. Who comes up with these weird words? Alright, LED floodlight ultra bright, CRI 80 plus, 300 watts. Alright, let's look at the specifications. I don't know if you guys can read that. Alright, let's just do it by sections so you guys can pause it and read it. Okay. Okay, that's that. This is the side. The bottom. Oh, this is the top. Okay, so this is, I can read that. Lumens 33,000 hours, all that good stuff. Voltage, the lighting 5,000 Kelvin. Spectrum. Alright, so no UV, no infrared, 120 degree angle, 90 to 130 volts, CR 80 plus. Alright my peeps, that's pretty much inside this bad boy. And it says 100% recyclable, sustainable. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's up, my peeps. Let's see what's up with this bad boy. Oh man, this thing looks badass, and it's heavy. It's rigid. It's solid. I think it's firm. Oh crap. Oh man, boy, I'm gonna be bright. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on the truck, man, on the Tacoma. So thank you. Yes, you're special. You're special too. We're all special, man, in our own unique, rare way. In this cosmic plane that we call the cosmic universe. I hope you guys could read all this, my peeps. If not, I'm sorry, man. Really, I am. I'm sorry. I apologize. Cause alright. So here we go. Alright, you guys can see all the specs. You guys can pause it and read it. And I'll back it up so you guys can see everything. Get all in frame. Oh, the wind. Alright, here we go. Nice, white light. That's what we want. White light. Sorry, my people. I'm trying to make this justice so you guys can read it and get the specs and try to get all the details as I am behind the damn lens and the LCD screen. All right, let's check it out. Oh yeah. Nice, my peeps. So check it out. Get it all in frame. All the heat sinks. Oh man, all those diodes. Nice. Oh, it's upside down, so it goes like this. I gotta pick up all the stuff. The wind is blowing everything out of the frame. Out of this, yeah. Alright, peeps. So check it out. Look at the diodes. It's nice and beautiful, brand new. So I want to be able to illuminate myself see some aliens, some ghosts, chupacabras. When I go out there in the wilderness. Like, hey man, UFOs, I got some LED too, homie. Well, I mean, that's where we reverse engineer LED technology from their spaceships. Well, the military did. Alright everyone, that's it, man. Just 300 watts, a bunch of diodes. Can't wait to wire it up. Just wire it up to the truck, to the wire harness, and get this thing going, man, on la troquita. Alright, my peeps, I went to go pick this up. Sorry about that. Alright, everyone. So that's it, man. Hope you guys like this unboxing. Alright, everyone. Oh, yeah. Smash that like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And thanks, everyone. Alright. Peace. Love.